Dreamantic girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome to my channel where life is a colorful adventure. I am your host, the Dream Exit Girl, and I'm here to take you on a journey through my everyday life filled with laughter, love, and a whole lot of tail-wagging fun. Join me as I explore beautiful parks with my 3 furry companions, each with their own quirky personalities. Join us as we continue our walks in Durham region and explore further destinations as we can once again dive into the joys of spontaneous weekend getaways in our trusty camper Rip. From heartwarming moments to hilarious misadventures, this channel is all about embracing the magic in the mundane and finding joy in every life experience. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this dreamy adventure together. Let's go! Good Monday morning. I'm off today. I worked 3 12s in a row. I don't know, this new schedule is killing me. And then I'm supposed to go back tomorrow. I don't even get the 2 in a row off, which I'm kind of not liking this. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm out with the dogs for their second outing. I gotta go see my mom. I wouldn't mind going and seeing my grandkids. I gotta water all the plants. I gotta take the dogs for a walk. I gotta work on my movie from Sleeping Giant now. I'm on the part where we actually climb. So I gotta put that stuff in, and then that day's almost done, and that makes that week done. And I can put it out. So I think I'm gonna sit and do that after a shower. And then water plants, go see my mom, and walk the dogs after that. And grandkids, I don't know. I'll try, but I have a funny feeling that's not going to happen today. As much as I'd love to. There's only so many hours in a day when you only have one day off. On a happy note, the heat wave is finally gone. It's beautiful and sunny out, but it's like breezy. Brutus just scared me a minute ago. He went the one way. Now he's going down the other way. As long as he doesn't go into the corn where I can't see him because it's so thick and tall. Like, you just don't know where he is at all if he goes in there. There, he's beautiful out today, though. Just beautiful out today. I'm going to take Venus in the shower in a minute. Rudy, come here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I worked for about an hour and a half on my video from Sleeping Giant. And I got, like, I guess the stuff downloaded from the top. And then there's just, like, that little bit the rest of the day. Because I don't think I filmed much after that. We were pretty tired. Yeah. So this one should be coming out later today, which is still like got a month ago content, right? Because it was July, like mid-July, the 13th, actually. Happy birthday, James, on that day. Mom was climbing to the top of a giant on your birthday. Anyway, yeah. I hope I get it done today, but it's absolutely, like, gorgeous out. Look at this. And I want to take the girls for a walk. John took Brutus out with him to get some errands done and visit a friend. I got to go see my mom, but I don't know. Maybe I'll let the girls out back first and then go see my mom. Shower before that, obviously. Yeah. Anyway. And then maybe Brutus will be back by then and he can join me for the walk. That would be good. So, I'll catch you guys after my shower. I'm taking Venus in with me. And, yeah. See how we can make this a good day off, even though I got lots to do. Alright, I tried to go visit my mom, but both my mom and dad are napping. So, I'm gonna go get my nails done and pamper myself just a little bit. I think that's a good idea. My toenails are like brutal from all the camping. So, I'm gonna head in, and I think I'm getting blue done. Blue, like, magnet stuff, like the silver was, but in a really nice blue. So, yeah. Alright, it's a pretty evening. Dogs are out for their last evening. Well, no, actually not their last one. They're gonna have to go out once more, but I thought I'd bring them out for a few minutes. Yeah. And that's a beautiful sky. Tuesday morning. Tuesday. It's alright. Corn's looking amazing now. I just want to relax right now, though. I gotta get ready for work in a minute. Good Wednesday morning. I thought it was Thursday till a little while ago, and there's Venus. Sure, a friend of mine gave Indy a toy dog, and Indy's like playing in the bedroom, so Venus took her spot and is laying beside it, and it looks like she's got a little dog friend with her. It's too cute. Similar color to her. Okay, it's Thursday morning. This is a rough morning, man. I'm having a really hard time waking up today. Yike. I'm out with the dogs. It's already like 7:03 and I start at 8. This is so hard. And it's been like so many days in a row with only one day off. It's exhausting. Man, I liked my old schedule better. At least I had more days off. I would have had 2 in a row and then worked along at like 2 long ones. Instead of like, I worked Monday, off Tuesday, worked Wednesday, now work Thursday. It's a lot. Okay, go back. Go on, go back. Go on, go back. Venus, taking off. Oh, man. Gotta keep an eye on these guys. I always want to take off. Anyway, hopefully they all go to the washroom, because, wow, man, this is brutal. Dogs. Indy's going way over. Indy, come here. Indy. Come on. Stay here. Indy, stay here. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. The cicadas going. It's another beautiful morning. I got Brutus out here with me. See? And Venus, she's at the gate. The other end. Yeah, I'm just sitting here on the front porch for a minute, enjoying the beautiful morning with a cup of coffee. Yeah. So, anyway. Oh my God. They released a waterproof, like fully waterproof drone yesterday. Like even takes off from the water, and it's 40% off, and I don't have the money. I want it so bad. Wish there was a way to like win it or get them to give me one as a trial person. Anyway, I got laundry to do today and a whole bunch of other crud. So, let's see how much stuff I can get done. Alright, good Saturday afternoon. I've spent the morning editing, and we're going for a walk now. Alright, we're at Stevens Gulch. Established in 1975. It's a conservation area. Haven't been here since spring. It's not far from home. I like this. And if I stay still, it videos even better. You and the dogs walking off in the distance. Happy in the forest again. John's up ahead as usual. It's like gorgeous. Definitely feeling it. Haven't walked a hike in a little while. We're coming up to a little bridge down this pathway. See? There's John. And the bridge is like way at the end. And Brutus is running. In that part. Unbelievable. I like the bridge. Down he goes again. Checking things out.
Oh boy. Bye-bye.
Happy Sunday. I picked up a shift, kind of regretting it. It's a beautiful day, but that's okay. A few extra bucks, and yeah, this is the last week here anyway, and then I go back to the other job. So, hey everybody. So, I finished another video. And I'm about to put it out, so this is like my goodbye. I'm still behind, but trying to catch up still. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this one. Stevens Gulch is really a nice park. We had a good time. The dogs loved it. So, yeah. Join me for future adventures with me and the dogs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It helps me out a lot. And subscribing's free, so Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate all that. And don't forget to be good to each other.